This is the EA Vision EA20XE, a plant protection drone that is safer, more intelligent, and more efficient. EA20XE is powered by EA Vision's third generation 120-degree wide-angle stereo vision 3D perception technology. It can avoid obstacles autonomously with high agility and speed under complex environments, ensuring personal and flight safety.
对于任何一个自主的无人机，避障是一个最基本的一个安全功能。不管是在田里头的电线杆、树木，或者是一个农机，甚至其他的无人机，它必须能够躲开。其实更重要的是说，看到了人员、看到了动物，它必须能够安全的离开。
Ultra-low terrain following, high-speed flight, prevent spray drift, and ensure chemical usage safety. No survey required, reducing preparation time, improving spray efficiency. It can continue fly and work for 2 minutes safely with high precision when the satellite signal is unstable or even lost. With more than 20 years of research in machine vision and its application in high-speed train safety inspection, EA Vision team is committed to applying this leading technology to plant protection drone, opening a brand new era in this field. Regardless of how complex the field environment is, EA20XE can always accomplish its mission. The aerial trees here are up to 10 meters high, and the hillside drop is over 20 meters. The drone is in the blind spot of our predators. With advanced 3D perception and multi-sensor fusion technology, EA20XE can follow the tree's terrain in high precision and work autonomously without surveying the plot. Even for a complex working environment, such as mountains and hills, EA20XE can work with high efficiency. Self-developed CCMS system can realize the bimodal distribution of droplets ranging from 20 to 250 microns at ambient temperature. With excellent directionality and penetrability, the droplets are more suitable for thick canopy crops.
直接一打下去，这个一般10分钟内就可以检验这个药，拿了放大镜看了以后，就虫它已经是不动了。
The 16 kilograms drone, made of carbon fiber, can be carried by a single person. Wide-body design further improves the wind field effect. 3C fast charging, 18 minutes charging time, 1,560 times charge and discharge cycles. Modular design guarantees ingress level up to IP67. The drone can be washed by water spray. Night flight mode. 16 liters of load and 5 meters of spray range allow you to spray 8 hectares per hour. EA20XE is sightful, precise and efficient, and fly freely on mountains and hills. This is the EA20XE Intelligent Plant Protection Drone.